Hello, fellow alchemists. Welcome back to our series on using Elixir. Now, I had somebody reach out a little bit of time ago and talk about, or at least ask me, how can they use Redix? Now, Redix is a library, a hex package, that will let you talk with Redis, the in-memory database. I haven't actually had a need to do this before because when I had to use Redis before, it was usually when I used Ruby and I had to use it for storing some background tasks to do some jobs. But still, in any case, you may need to use this for whatever reason. Even, I believe, Phoenix uses Redis as a way to send pub/sub in between. But in any case, I'm going to show you how you can do that. And so the first thing you need to do is you actually need to, of course, pull on the package. So if you go to your deps section and you add in Redix, and now supposedly you just need at least 0.0.0, which means any version at all. And you also need the CA store. So once you have these two, of course, you need to do your mix deps git. And then with that, now you can go ahead and start to actually use it. So we're just going to play around in the terminal. Now with Redix, you need to actually pull out a connection. And the way that works is that you just use Redix, and there's a startlang function. And within startlang, you can pass in the host name. There's all kinds of different connections. But because we're going to be using this locally, I'm just going to use the default one, which is no arguments at all. And you see it worked okay because it returned the OK tuple and the PID. Now with that PID, you can start to play around with Redis itself. And so what you can do is you can send commands. You pass in the PID, and then you can send commands, something like, say, maybe set hello to world. And you see that returns back OK with the OK coming back. And if that's true, now if you remove this and change the set to a get, you'll actually see that. And they also have one with a bang, so you can just get the value back directly. You don't need to have the OK tuple. And what else you can do is that they also have a pipeline. So say, for instance, you can actually issue multiple commands. So in Redix, there is a way to increment a value, and you can actually send multiple commands, which is what pipeline will take. So we can take this one, we can just put in, say we're going to store a number in here, and we're going to increment this multiple times. And you'll see that it actually got implemented. It actually got incremented. So now what we can do, of course, we can pull out this and grab that, and you'll see there's our 2. So perfect. Now, this is how you can work with Redis and Elixir. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to get some more information about Elixir and other topics, such as maybe Rust or even Flutter as we're doing, please let us know in the comments. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye. Hi. Please feel free to ask us any questions about Elixir, Flutter, or anything else in programming. Here's our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We'll answer your questions every Friday. Ya muntai ge duck mun all. Yo wenti ji do wen wo.